There you go.
Good
Now I
girl,
can't
Timmer.
pedal because
Bye, Timmer.
you'll be leaping up and down and.
Good girl. You got the park all to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
No butt in the face though.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want no Timmer butt. Don't give me no dog butt. Oh, we got the recoil. All right. Oh, you like this. You know, Timmer, those are vicious Pomeranians over there. They'll attack you. They are. They will take your little hind legs out. Those are two vicious Pomeranians. They're the meanest breed on the planet. Now, Timmer, Susie and Otter are doing girl talk over there. Your mother.
She just looks around. She's having a show. You know, yeah, okay, I'm on a bike and, you know, it's cool. It's cool.
She's good. I don't know about those vicious Pomeranians over there. They're vicious. They'll take out Timmer. Oh, I don't. They're nippy little. I don't like, Susie, I don't, you know, Timmer, I don't like all dogs. Just remember that. Not all dogs I like.
Oh, that's funny. That big Labrador was so gentle.
What a good girl.
She's a sweetie, though.
What a good girl. A birthday party and a ride.
You didn't get a, did you get a ride yesterday?
No, today.
Did I kind of poo-pooed it a little. Yeah, I was into watering my tree.
Yeah, it was all right. She had a big day.
Sorry, Timmer, I was into watering my tree. I had to water
She doesn't know.
my plants, but not their plants.
Here, and she has the smiley teeth like this.
She does.
Yeah.
She's so relaxed on it.
So you got the recoil thing here. Is this a recoil?
What?
How many feet does this thing go, this recoil?
Oh, it goes out, I think, 10 or
10
12
feet?
10
Wow.
or
Yeah, this one is longer.
12. I
isn't
started
it?
using it for the park so she could run a little
Okay.
Oh, yeah, because you had another short one.
bit. Yeah,
didn't you?
and then she couldn't go anywhere.
Exactly. Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Well, Timmer, another cut.